Comrade A.B. Hafiz.
A luta continua, Victoria Sata, among way to nothing shall discourage us. Greatest Cuba, ever conscious Kiki, Kulu Kulu. The Inspector General of Police, ably seated. The MC, it is not in our culture to come late to programs. We were here 3 days ago, we were here yesterday, so some issues happened that needed our attention, very, very important. And that was why we were a little bit late. So IG, we are very sorry. When people like you call, it will always interest us to be there immediately. So thank you for all you are doing. And I must say that Nigerian students, since they heard about this program for the past 3 days, we have been getting positive response. Many are very happy that yes, there is a collaboration between police and youth and students. So it is just like a new thing that police is celebrating International Youth Day. So thank you very much, IG, for the new thing you have brought on board. So sir, today it is with great honor and delight that I extend my warmest greetings to the Inspector General of Police, the Nigerian Police Force, distinguished dignitaries, youth leaders, award recipients, and all Nigerian youth and students as we celebrate the 3rd day of International Youth Day 2026, dedicated to the award ceremony and tree planting initiative. Today is particularly significant because we are not only celebrating the excellence, courage, and contribution of outstanding Nigerians, we are also planting trees as a symbol of our collective responsibility to protect the environment and secure a better future for generations yet unborn. Our award celebrates the impact we have made today, while tree planting represents the future we are committed to building. When we honor excellence, we inspire others. When we plant trees, we invest in tomorrow. As the National President of National Association of Nigerian Student NANS, I commend the Inspector General of Police for continuously creating platforms that promote meaningful engagement, recognition, and partnership with Nigerian youth. The message is clear. The young people must be celebrated. We must be empowered, trusted, and given the opportunity to contribute meaningfully to national development. To all the award recipients, I congratulate you and urge you to see your recognition not merely as an honor, but as a greater call to service. May your achievements inspire millions of others, young Nigerians, to pursue excellence and contribute positively to our society. As we plant trees today, may they grow to represent our shared aspirations for a greener, safer, more peaceful and prosperous Nigeria. On behalf of NANS, I affirm our commitment to supporting initiatives that promote youth development, environmental responsibility, peace and stronger partnership between young Nigerians and security institutions. On this note, please join me as I give 3 American Busa to our IG. 3 American Busa to the IG. Goes amen, goes amen, goes amen. Yo. 3 Ebola to his enemy. Ebola, Ebola, Ebola. Thank you very much. Long live Nigeria. Long live our Inspector General of Police. Aluta continua. Victoria Asada.